Choosing the right investment brokerage is an important step in your investment journey. So whether you're looking for low fees, great customer service, or a user-friendly platform, the right brokerage can really make investing easier and more profitable. So let's take a look at some of the best investment brokerages that you should consider, okay? Now, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are 5 of the best investment brokerages. First one is Questrade. Known for its low fees and flexible platform, Questrade is perfect for both beginners and experienced investors looking for a wide range of investment options. Second one is WealthSimple Trade. So basically, it's a commission-free brokerage for Canadians. WealthSimple Trade is perfect for those who want to trade stocks and ETFs without paying any extra fees. You got TD Direct Investing. Basically, it's a solid option for investors who want a reliable platform backed by one of Canada's biggest banks, offering great customer service and investment tools. You got RBC Direct Investing, which is, ideal for RBC customers. So this platform offers an easy-to-use interface and access to a wide range of investment products. There's also Fidelity. So with a long-standing reputation and excellent research tools, Fidelity is a great choice for those who want access to a variety of investment options. Now, these brokerages provide excellent platforms, fees, and resources to help you invest smartly and confidently. And if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. I love you.